Hi, welcome to day 2 of my solo journey to Annapurna Base Camp Summit. Day 1 of ABC, day 2 of ABC. Look at the views. I'm starting from Jinu. Ta-da! I packed light. I kept most of my things here. और मुझे नहीं पता है कि कैसे होने वाला है मैनेज सब कुछ एंड आई होप आई हैव टेकन एवरीथिंग देखते हैं Stars. So Jinu से Chomrong तक there are the stairs like never ending stairs 2 घंटे में पहुँचेंगे बोले but I'm not sure because wait, look at the stairs. See, I started feeling the weight of my bag and yeah, I realized I think taking this bag wasn't really wise, so but it's okay. Reached Chomrong in 1.5 hours. Yeah, from Jinu I started at 7:50. Now it's 9:11 and reached here. So we crossed Chomrong and now Lower Sinova. I was told that I have to go down for Lower Sinova, but देखते हैं अभी. I think ये Chomrong है क्योंकि वहाँ पे स्टे दिख रहा है या फिर वो लोअर सिनेमा है बट वहाँ पे भी Chomrong स्टे दिख रहा है. So this is Chomrong. That is Lower Sinova. The whole market once you reach Chomrong. You can buy things here. I'm guessing कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा महंगा होगा, but then yeah, if you're in need then you can buy things. Once you reach Chomrong, there's a check post for ABC. कुछ नहीं check post है, you have to go and get your permit stamped that you have entered ABC. So once you reach Chomrong, there's a stupa here also. You can see. Like if you want, you can go, but looks peaceful. ये इतना load. I don't think I can do it. बहुत ज्यादा लोड लेके जा रहे हो आप.
ले लो आपको भी रोक देगा हम.
अरे
अब कितना केजी है?
ये बहुत कम है मेरा तो.
कितना केजी है?
पता नहीं 4-5 ही रहेगा सिर्फ.
4-5. ओ आओ बैठो.
मेरा नहीं मेरा आई एम 60.
60 है आओ बैठो ना.
The second suspension bridge. Going towards the second suspension bridge of this trek. Ta-da! Literally bouncing. Shit. It's bouncing. Oh my god, okay. I'm jumping up and down. Look at the views. Second suspension bridge with the best views possible. If you think solo traveling is easy, these are the stairs I'm climbing. The views are nice. Okay, but trust me, I'm almost on the verge of giving up. Like every step I climb, I feel like I'm done. I don't want to. I'll just go back and rest, and I don't know anything but this. It's tough. It's tough. It's 10:43 and I reached Lower Sinua. From here they said Upper Sinua is 1.5 hours. So let's see. So I was in Lower Sinua. Apparently even that is Lower Sinua. Upper Sinua kahin upar hai. But anyways, I took a much needed break. Right now it's 11 and I'm starting from here. I don't care where I reach because trust me, doing ABC solo, it's doable, but at the same time you need a lot of motivation and you have to motivate yourself. So yeah, I took the break that I needed a lot. Now I'm starting again. Oh, Kalpana Guest House, that's my mom's name. Tee-tee. Hi, Ai. Kashi is. Friends. I met Nepali people here, influencers here, and I'm having lunch with influencers now. Say hi, Ayush. Nepali thali with the view. Can you see the view? I hope you can. So I had my food here at Lower Sinua. Dal bhat veg was for 750. I had iced lemonade, which was for 250. What, 850? Actually, that was for chicken. So veg is for 750. I think as you go up, the prices will increase. But yeah, in Lower Sinua, it is 750. Exactly 12. It's exactly 12 now. So I'll start from here. The goal is to reach Doan or Himalaya based on the weather and my pace. Say hi everyone. No, say bye everyone. Bye. Say hi. If you are in Lower Sinua, come to ma'am for food.
Okay.
The hotel name is Himalayan Coffee.
Hotel Chino.
No, wait. It's Hotel Chino.
Hotel Chino.
It's Hotel Chino. Yeah. And meet ma'am.
Sita.
Started from Lower Sinua. It's 12:15 now and it started raining. So let's see till where we reach. I turned into Jadoo thinking that it is going to rain. And it's not raining. Okay. And I'm too not even tired, but I don't want to take this off.
Video or photo?
Video.
Yeah, it's a video.
Look at the views. Come. Oh, more steps.
Yeah.
There.
Annapurna is about the steps.
Yes. Started raining and the weather changed. Yeah. And I'll reach Upper Sinua now. I can see a house there. Let's see. It's 1 o'clock and we reached Sinua. It's raining heavily and I reached Sinua. It's 1 o'clock. It stopped raining. So now I'm starting from Sinua and going towards Bamboo. Look at the views. So, a tea break here. Yeah. It's raining. Still in Sinua, it's raining a lot. So let's see. Now we can't reach Himalaya, I think. But look at the peaks. I don't think we can reach Himalaya. I think only till Doan we can go. Hello? So cold. And it's the thunder is like crazy. And it's so cold. It's raining continuously. And we were planning to reach till Himalaya today. But I think we can only reach Doan. It's 2 o'clock. We stayed in Sinua for like 1 hour because it was raining. It did not stop, so we started again. Views dekho. So I started from Sinua. There's a dense forest on the way. और जैसे ही फॉरेस्ट ख़त्म होता है थोड़ा पैच आता है which is completely open. So pretty. Okay, a little update on the way. So Upper Sinua से Bamboo तक you have to climb a little, like dense forest वगैरह cross करना पड़ता है, and then it's a climb down for I don't know half an hour or so. Yeah, it's 3 right now, and I can see the board to Bamboo. There, we have reached Bamboo. But if there's anything I've learned throughout the trek today is that जब भी कभी लगता है कि तुम पहुंच गए हो, it's always 5 to 10 minutes ahead of the board that you see. So now I'm at Bamboo. I'm at Bamboo, and this is how they grow vegetables here. Look at the views. Okay, so it's exactly 3:30. I'm starting from Bamboo. These are the views on the way, and yeah, I took a break for half an hour. अभी यहाँ पे Bamboo में आधा घंटा रुकी थी मैं 3 से 3:30. It's exactly 3:30. I'm starting from Bamboo, and some people said it will take 2 hours to reach Doan. The plan is to reach Upper Doan till 5:30. Okay, it's starting to get cold now. I'm starting from Bamboo. I'm going towards Doan. थोड़ा थोड़ा ठंडा लग रहा है अभी. I don't think I can go there. This is the road to Doan. It's all climb up. Okay, so a little update from Bamboo to Doan. It's all climb up. There is no down. So yeah, it takes 2 hours. Oh, I just realized that it's 29th April today, and I was supposed to be walking the same route exactly 1 month back on my birthday, 29th March, but things did not go as planned, and I am here exactly after 1 month, 29th April. ABC. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. This is on the way to Doan. So pretty. So from Bamboo to Doan, you have this is the uphill climb, but the roads are so nice. The entire view, you get to see all these small waterfalls. See, small waterfalls. So from Jinu to Chomrong, मुझे इतनी बार लगा that I just want to give up. I want to go back. I want to rest. And पता नहीं, maybe it was the height. It was too steep. But then after that, from Chomrong, it was Lower Sinua, Upper Sinua, then Bamboo, now to Doan. I think by this time, my body knows that it has to walk. So I'm just mindlessly walking, not thinking about anything. But from Jinu to Chomrong, oh my god, I felt like I just want to give up. Look at the views. A lot of times. You see the flags from here, so I think I am near Doan. Hopefully I'll reach in next 15 minutes. At least the flags are here. So, oh, the views are nice. Going to cross a little bridge here. And the valley. Let's go. It's 4:30 and it took me 1.5 hours from Bamboo to reach Dowan. Reached. Feels so good. Now I think this is Lower Dowan. I have to go till Upper Dowan. I'm gonna stay in Lower Dowan because some people said that it's better here compared to Upper Dowan. The stay is not good, the food is not good, and it's just 30 minutes from here. So I think I can cover it tomorrow morning. And the views from here are nice. I can see Macha Puchare. Wait, that's Macha Puchare. It's very pretty. It's 5:25 and I'm starting from Lower Dowan for Upper Dowan because I had stay booked there. So yeah, but I really wanted to stay in Lower Dowan. This is on the way from Lower Dowan to Upper Dowan, and it's like this. Let's go. Oh, the waterfall is there. Looks so beautiful. There are 2 waterfalls on the way to Upper Dowan. This is the second one. Oh. Water is so clear, look. I reached Upper Dowan. It wasn't that far. I started at 5:25 around that time, and within 20 minutes I reached Upper Dowan. I'm just hoping the stays are good here because I really liked the stays at Lower Dowan, and I'm not sure how it will be here because I got some reviews saying the stays here are not good, and that's where I'm going to stay. The hotel destination ABC. This is the stay. This is Upper Sinoa. I got a room for 2 people and it's just this much. It is in package, food like dinner, breakfast, Wi-Fi, charging included. It's for 1800. If you're like 4 people, you get a bigger room. If you're 2 people, you get a smaller room. We got our food for the day.
Okay, bye for today.